Hi, I'm Ryan with Latent AI, and what I'd like to show today is an example of how the Latent AI runtime environment can be used through an integration with the ArcGIS platform to help run inference on a live map. In this case, what we're looking at is a live map that I've drawn up of the Cupertino downtown area. Just as an example, I drew this little area of interest as a feature layer in the ArcGIS platform. This is on the global ArcGIS instance. And what our integration is going to do to enable the Latent AI runtime environment to run inference on this region is it's going to run through a Python Jupyter notebook. And the Python Jupyter notebook is actually going to leverage the Latent AI runtime environment to run the inference, but it's also using a backend integration with the ArcGIS platform. What it's doing on the backend, we can kind of go through step by step. Let me make sure that my token is valid. So the first thing that we're going to do is confirm that we can reach the endpoint that we expect, and we can find those sorts of features and details that we expect to be able to run this sort of analysis. That was using the ArcGIS public API. The next thing we'll do is use our internal code to specify what it is that we're looking at, or actually looking for in this map. We have this little function that looks for the tiles that we've outlined in the map, essentially saying anything underneath this shape we're interested in. And so ArcGIS returned all the tiles which could potentially have overlap with this search area. Here are some snapshots of what those tiles actually look like. And this is the function that will actually run the inference using the Latent AI runtime environment. Of note, this runtime is a binary. It is running inference as an AI model, but this one is specifically compiled, optimized, and built for running on an x86 CPU. So this is not actually running on a GPU at all. And the reason this is important is because if you can run inference quickly and you can run on CPU only, you can really save a lot at cloud costs. So it looks like it ran through all these different tiles, did some predictions. See how many did it say that we had? Here we go. So we had 9 detections. Okay, there we go, 9 detections. So now if we go back to the map of Cupertino, you can see that we've got some, not all, but some vehicle detections. The way that this functioned was the backend ArcGIS integration pulled these tiles, and then it ran it through the Latent AI runtime environment to basically run inference computer vision on those tiles, searching for vehicles. And then the integration pushed that information back as feature layers into the ArcGIS platform and attached it to this map. And so that's how it can kind of show up live here. And then just as a little added bonus, if we want to remove some of these, clear our map, let's say that we were potentially evaluating model. We decided we weren't thrilled with the performance of this model. We want to revert our map back to the state that it was before we ran any inference. We've got a function that can essentially do that as well. So that concludes what we wanted to show today of our integration with the ArcGIS platform using the Latent AI runtime environment. Thank you.